Have you ever wished you could just set your Robinhood account on autopilot, let it trade and grow your wealth while you focus on other things? Well, in this video, we're going to explore that very possibility. We'll delve into the world of automated trading, discuss different strategies, and provide practical tips on how to set up your Robinhood account for autonomous success. Automated trading, or algo trading, has been gaining popularity in recent years. It involves using computer programs to execute trades based on predefined rules and algorithms. While it offers the potential for increased efficiency and reduced emotional biases, it's important to understand the risks involved. The basics of automated trading. Define your goals. Before diving into automation, clearly outline your investment objectives. Are you aiming for long-term growth, short-term gains, or a combination of both? Choose a strategy. There are various automated trading strategies, including trend following, mean reversion, arbitrage, and high-frequency trading. Research different approaches and select one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Select a platform. While Robinhood doesn't offer direct automated trading tools, you can integrate it with third-party platforms that provide these capabilities. Look for platforms that are compatible with Robinhood's API and offer a user-friendly interface. Backtesting. Before implementing your strategy, test it using historical data to assess its performance and identify potential pitfalls. Backtesting can help you refine your approach and make informed decisions. Popular automated trading strategies. Trend following. This strategy involves buying assets when they are trending upwards and selling when they are trending downwards. It's based on the assumption that trends tend to persist for a certain period. Mean reversion. This strategy assumes that asset prices will eventually revert to their long-term average. It involves buying undervalued assets and selling overvalued ones. Arbitrage. This strategy involves simultaneously buying and selling the same asset in different markets to profit from price discrepancies. High-frequency trading. This strategy involves executing a large number of trades at high speed to capitalize on tiny price fluctuations. Setting up your Robinhood account for automation. API access. Enable API access in your Robinhood account settings. This will allow you to connect your account to third-party platforms. Choose a platform. Research and select a platform that supports automated trading and is compatible with Robinhood. Consider factors such as cost, features, and user reviews. Integrate your account. Follow the platform's instructions to connect your Robinhood account. This usually involves providing your API credentials. Configure your strategy. Input your chosen strategy into the platform's interface. Customize parameters, set stop loss and take profit levels, and define risk management rules. Tips for successful automated trading. Start small. Begin with a small portion of your portfolio to minimize risk. Gradually increase your allocation as you gain confidence in your strategy. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your automated trading performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay updated on market conditions and be prepared to modify your strategy if necessary. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio across different assets and strategies to reduce risk. Be patient. Automated trading may not yield immediate results. Be patient and allow your strategy to play out over time. Continuously learn. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the world of automated trading. Attend webinars, read articles, and network with other traders to expand your knowledge. Autopiloting your Robinhood account can be a powerful way to enhance your investment strategy. By understanding the basics of automated trading, choosing a suitable strategy, and setting up your account correctly, you can leverage technology to achieve your financial goals. However, it's important to approach automation with caution and be aware of the potential risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.